Ensure that you have placed both water closets in your model. Select one of the water closets and draw a horizontal pipe from one toilet's waste outlet toward the second water closet. Draw a vertical pipe down, making sure that it is in line with the main horizontal pipe. Erase the elbow and extend the vertical pipe up past the water closet outlet. Insert a santee at the vertical pipe to connect the horizontal pipe to the vertical pipe. Select the santee and click on the right cross being displayed and connect the second water closet to it. Select the santee again and choose the double combination Y fitting in the Properties box. Cap the piping above the outlets and save your work.